I was sent this power strip with a 10-foot cord and all kinds of plugs on it to get my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. This is a really cool extension cord. It's got a winding feature here that you just put your fingers like into these little grips here. And then as you want to bring back the cord and wind it up, you just spin this around here while you're holding it, and it winds back up. Really, really, really convenient and compact to keep this. It's just short of 10 feet. It's like 9.8 feet worth of electrical cable all wound up. It's got that nice plug that fits flush so it doesn't stick straight out from the wall when you've plugged it in. And then the plugs on it, really handy. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard 110 type plugs. These are your 15 amps. But you've also got a USB here, a power distribution USB-C. This is 20 watts, so you could run a laptop off of this USB-C plug here, and another USB here as well. These can be protected by sliding them over to close your 110 plugs, and easy to open them as well. So really handy if you're gonna be traveling and you want to have all your power sources met. Then 10 feet is a good distance, because typically plugs within your house are 6 feet apart and extension cords are usually 6 feet. But now you've got almost 10 feet here to reach all kinds of different scenarios, from a plug to bring it back to a desk or to a workbench, wherever you're going to be operating and need to use this power strip. The other thing about it too is you can wall mount this strip as well. You've got a hook here that you can put a screw in a wall and then hang this up when you're not using it and have it be ready to go for next time. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.